Hi guys, I just wanted to give you a brief introduction to the new journal that we're going to be working on. This is Bursts of Beauty by Calico Collage, and it's a lovely kit. I think I'm going to use this page for the cover. I want to do a wraparound, and I always make not always, but I make a lot of my journals from the envelopes, but I close this and then just have that. But I've seen a lot lately where they have the flap and the journal's inside and the flap wraps around, so I wanted to attempt something like that. And this orange, there's a lot of this. I hope you can see, my sun's shining weird today, but there's a lot of orange in here. This has lots of color, see how close that is in color? So I'm not even going to cover the whole thing. I am going to use the envelope as a mat. I usually do a wraparound, wrap the larger paper around the entire envelope, but I'm not going to do that this time. So I'm probably going to use this one for the cover, mainly because it gives me a beautiful design. I can run some lace down wherever, and I can still put a focal point that says journal or something. So that's one of the pages. And then this one, beautiful. It looks like carnations, all kinds of flowers in this kit, and it's named correctly. I believe they did a little contest or something to name the kit. I think it was this one, and Bursts of Beauty won, and I can see why, because it is bursts and nice bright reds. See, there's that gold again, and it's got orchids and butterflies and peonies and all kinds. Look at the birds, cute. Really neat kit with all the things I love: lace, birds, butterflies. There's dictionary pages back there. It's like these are more carnations. Are they carnations? I'm not great at identifying flowers. I think this one's orchids on account of it says orchid there. So that one's pretty. And then this one is the peony page. Okay, so those aren't carnations, those are peonies. Or at least that one is, I believe. Okay, and these look like buttercups. I have a journal coming up. I'm slow. I'm working on a digital kit of my own. I have done them in the past, scrapbooking kits and stuff, but they're more the 12 by 12 scrapbooking kits, digital scrapbooking kits, and I have a small collection I'm trying to get up on Etsy, but I'm working on a journal kit, and it's going to be buttercups. So be looking for that in the not too distant future, I hope. There's some cut arounds. What do you call these? Fussy cut pieces. The butterflies and some birds. Here's some tickets. And, oh, there you go. There's the journal portion. These would be great tuck spots. And I have backed them all. Did I? Oh, no, not these. But the journal pages, I did not. I thought I printed them out with a color on the back, but I did not. So I will decide whether I want to coffee dye them all or run them back through the printer. But yeah, those are pretty. And then here's some journal cards. Nice size, 6 to a page. So those are what, like 3 by 4, 2 3/4 by 3 3/4. That was close. And then these lovely tags. I really like those. Those are nice. So, yeah, so that's what we're going to do. That's what's coming up next. And the first thing I want to do is try to make one of these pages. I would like, and I think I'm going to try this one, to turn it into vellum, where I've seen everybody doing it with the baby oil. And if you have tried that with success, can you let me know in the comments below, and without success as well. I'm just curious. I'm not sure if it's done on paper or cardstock. I think paper would make more sense, but I'm going to try it and we'll see what happens, and we'll try it together. So anyway, look forward to that in the next video. This is going to be a real pretty kit, and I'm going to be adding some coffee dyed paper, so I may run this through or not run it through, but may coffee dye this kit. It's not an extensive amount. So I may coffee dye this, and then I'll add some coffee dyed paper and some journal pages and some dictionary pages and some music pages like I do, or like we do. And I will see ya next time. Thanks for watching.